Your joints are stiffening right now, and if you're over 60, you've already lost up to 30% of the muscle strength that keeps them stable. That's not just discomfort. That's the difference between living independently and needing help with the things you used to do without thinking. Welcome back. Today we're talking about something that can genuinely change how you feel every single day: your joint mobility. Stiff knees, achy hips, tight shoulders, these don't have to be your new normal. I'm going to show you how a simple little tool called a mini resistance band can help you rebuild strength, reduce pain, and move more freely, right from your chair, at home, at your own pace. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get started safely today. Here's something most people don't realize. Joint stiffness isn't just about the joint itself. It's about the muscles around the joint losing their ability to support and cushion it. When those muscles weaken, the joint takes more impact, more friction, and more stress with every single step. Over time, that leads to the aching, the creaking, and that feeling of just not trusting your own legs anymore. The good news? Muscle weakness is something you can actually do something about at any age. Research consistently shows that gentle, regular resistance movement helps rebuild that protective muscle layer around your joints. You don't need a gym, you don't need heavy weights, you just need a few minutes and the right approach. Mini resistance bands might look almost too simple to be effective, but that's exactly what makes them perfect for older adults. They provide smooth, controlled tension that your muscles have to work against without loading your joints the way weights or machines do. There's no jerking, no sudden impact, no complicated setup. You can use them seated in a chair, standing near a counter, or even while watching television. They come in light, medium, and heavy resistance levels, so you always start at a comfort level that's right for your body today, not where you think you should be. And because they're small and lightweight, they go wherever you go. A drawer, a bag, a basket by your favorite chair. They're always there when you're ready. Let's talk about the specific exercises that make the biggest difference for seniors. First, the seated row, which targets your upper back and arms. You simply anchor the band at your feet and pull toward your torso. It sounds easy, and it is, but it's quietly rebuilding the muscles that keep you upright. Second, the bicep curl, done seated with the band under your feet, strengthens the elbow joint and makes carrying groceries and lifting feel easier. Third, hip abduction, with the band just above your knees, targets the outer thighs and hips, exactly where most seniors feel that deep, dull ache. Fourth, the seated knee extension, which directly improves knee mobility and reduces that stiffness you feel when standing up. And fifth, ankle flexion and extension, which also boosts circulation in your lower legs. Each one takes about 2 to 3 minutes. The number one mistake people make when starting resistance band exercises is going too hard, too fast, and then stopping because something hurts. Here's the real approach. Start with just 1 or 2 sets. Move slowly. Breathe through every repetition. Exhale on the effort, inhale on the release. If you feel sharp pain, stop immediately. That's your body sending a clear signal. Always warm up for 3 to 5 minutes first. A little marching in place, some shoulder rolls, some ankle circles. Keep a sturdy chair nearby, and always check your band for cracks or tears before you use it. A worn band can snap and cause real injury. The goal isn't to push harder, it's to show up consistently. Even 10 minutes a day, done gently and correctly, can produce meaningful improvements in your flexibility, pain levels, and balance within just a few weeks. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help other seniors find this content when they need it most. Subscribe so you don't miss our next video on building balance and reducing fall risk at home. And drop a comment below. I'd love to hear which joint gives you the most trouble and whether you've tried resistance bands before. If you want the mobility aid I recommend to support your joint health routine, the link is right in the description. You deserve to move through your day feeling steady, strong, and capable, and small, consistent steps really do add up to something meaningful. Start with just one exercise today, and let that be enough. As always, consult your doctor before starting any new health routine.